welcome to the presenter, Manager Belmar Yolanda.
Good evening, everyone. Nako, alas 7 pa lang naman. Diba? Sinabi naman ng may-ari ng orchard, we can stay here until 2 a.m. Diba? Are you enjoying yourself so far? Okay, was it worth your while? Was it worth your time? Yeah, so definitely, actually, when we had, I was thinking before, na, di ba, ilang beses na na-cancel yung ating event na ito. Supposedly, we'll be having it on February of third week ng February. But alam niyo naman ang nangyari, di ba? Naging CCQ. And then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, should I still pursue this? Kasi if I will not pursue this, let's just do it in Zoom and then I'll save money. Di ba? Tapos gamitin ko na lang yun, mapamasyal na lang ako outside the country or, di ba? Or here sa Philippines. But for us, especially in our industry, and not just in our industry, but for everyone in particular, as I've said in the video, 2020 was not a very easy time for us. Yes. It has been very challenging. I know that for a fact. And ito yung isang bagay na hindi natin in-expect. Tama? And everything changed. So much changed for us. However, sabi nga nila, if something happens, the most important thing is how you are going to respond. How you are going to respond. Remember last year when we had, congratulations, happy anniversary. Di ba? In 2 days, we'll be having our first anniversary lockdown. You remember? That was March 15 of last year, right? And then after nung nangyari yun, di ba, nagkaroon tayo ng installation last year ng February 15. After nun, we thought we're going to have a really great time. We thought we're going to have a really successful year. But then, the pandemic happened. And sabi ko nga, it depends on how you're going to respond to it. And how did a BG respond to that? Tayo ba ay nalungkot? Yes, nalungkot tayo. Tayo ba ay nagsabi, katapusan na ng mundo, hindi na ako mag-aasawa. Wow. Diba? It hurts. Pero totoo, diba? For a time, sinabi natin sa ating sarili that it's gonna be the end of the world. We might as well do the things that we want to do. However, sabi ko nga, the most important thing is how you're going to respond. Of course, nasa tayo for a while, but then I said to myself, I as a leader, what is going to happen to my agency? What is going to happen to my people if I am not going to do something? I promised them, Kuya Tonsi, itong trabaho ito, this is going to be a job that is life-changing for you. Rochelle, when you become a part of CATP, become part of our company, maabot mo na yung pangarap mo sa family mo. Renel, pag na-promote ka, naging agency ka, yayaman ako, yes! Hindi mo mabibigyan ako ng maraming pera. But then, yung pangarap mo, di ba, since you were OFW, you will be able to achieve this. Michelle, we've been together for how many years? And nung sinabi ko na magandang trabaho ito, tutulungan kita, yayaman tayo. Yes, we can do it. Yung mga other leaders and mga other advisors, we have the same dreams and aspirations in life. If I am not going to do something today, what's going to happen to them? And so what we did, we had to do something. After the pandemic, after a month, sabi ko sa sarili ko, we have to do something. And that is, remember our theme? It is to thrive. Not just to survive, because if we're going to just survive, walang mangyayari sa atin. We are going to thrive. And were we able to thrive? Yes or yes? Yes. We were able to thrive. Nagkaroon nga tayo ng Christmas party, di ba, noong December. And wala si Sir Wilson dito, tsaka wala namang other agency, but congratulations for being the top agency in Baguio. And among the top 3 in North Luzon. And among the top 5 in Luzon. And among one of the fastest growing and successful agency in Philam Life in the whole nationwide. Congratulations. And that is not because I said to myself that we have to do something. No, because I cannot do it alone. When I decided that I have to do something, the first people that I had to talk to was your leaders. Ben, Renel, Michelle, sina Rods, the other, sina Jubel. Okay? And Sila yung mga naging pillars natin. Okay? I was able to miss something. Hindi ko kasi kayo makita. No? Kasi wala akong eyeglass. But the other leaders and the other financial advisors who still believe in our profession, who still believe in the company, in the job that we do. And from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you. Kasi we were not able to thrive if hindi ko nagawa. So this recognition is not just about, okay, congratulations sa mga top one and everything, sa mga naging champion and everything, but congratulations to you because we were able to survive, not only survive, but to thrive. Palakpakan nyo. O bago pa humaba ito, kasi magkakaroke pa tayo, there are only three things. Three very important statements that I would like to make. Number one, congratulations. Congratulations. Not because of the awards or the rewards, but congratulations for staying put at kasama pa rin namin until now. Congratulations. Thank you. Palakpakan niyo mga sarili niyo. Second statement, di pa ko tapos. Kala niyo, alam niyo na, isang oras akong magsasalita. Second, okay, second, thank you. Thank you. Thank you na kahit gano'n ang nangyari sa panahon natin. There are so many things that I would like to thank for, especially the people that are with us. I would like to thank our partner ASG for being here. Ayan, for staying put with us. Alam ko, marami kaming mga problema sa Salesforce, but I know, mas marami kayong problema sa inyo. So salamat sa making our lives much easier. Okay? I would also like to thank yung mga leaders natin who stood by our agency and still are the pillar of our agency. Ayan, yung mga unit managers nyo, yung mga... Alam nyo, hindi din kasi madali ang maging leader. We know that, di ba? Some of us try talaga to become a leaders. But you know, the expectation as well as the responsibility, it is not just about you anymore when you become leader. What you're going to think about is your people. Di ba? Yun. So I would like to thank them. And also our financial advisors are here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope and pray that we will still grow together in 2021. Thank you. And also for those who made this event successful, thank you to Ms. Jamie, our coordinator. Thank you to Gwency. Yan, and Gwency Duo. Trio na sila. Quartet na pala. Kasi kasama na ako sa kanila. For making our event lively. Ayan, for our chart and for the staff for making this awesome. And sa lahat ng mga suppliers natin, thank you so much. Right? Lastly, God bless us. God bless us. If there is anything that we would need for 2021. 2021, sabi natin, if you're going to start the year 2021, oh, it's gonna be a whole new world. Diba? It's gonna be a very optimistic year. Pero nakalimutan natin pagdating ng February that 2021 is just a continuation of 2020. Diba? And now more than ever, the thing that we really need is for God to bless us. We'll be needing it. We'll be needing it. Especially for this year, di ba na-explain sa atin ang ibig sabihin ng Excelsior? We were able to survive and to thrive, and our target for this year is to Excelsior, which means to go upward and ever upward. Are you with me, BG? Yes or yes? If I say BG, you say Excelsior. If I say Excelsior, you say BG. Can we do that? Excelsior? BG! BG! Excelsior! 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 BG! 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 Excelsior! Okay, practice yung pronunciation. Nakakahiyak naman. Excelsior. Alright? And lastly, I'm going to leave you with this statement. Sabi nila, Belmar, bakit nga ba BG ang pangalan ng inyong agency? Siguro Belmar Giranda, ano? Diba? Gusto mo sabihin ng Belmar Giranda. Pero pwede naman pangalan ng tatay kasi Pilino yung tatay ko. Pwede naman Baguio, di ba? Baguio, BG. Ayan, actually, we are associated with, agency sa Baguio, BG. Di ba? Tangsi. Okay. Makapal kasi mukha natin para tayo nagpapakartista. So, BG ang kilala. Okay. But actually, very simple lang. Very simple lang ang ibig sabihin ng BG. Big aspirations. Big dreams. Di ba? There are so many things that we would like to do. Big standard. Especially sa mga ginagawa natin sa ating profession because kaya tayo nagpapakapagod, kaya tayo nagpatrabaho na maigi because we would all like to leave our loved ones or to give our loved ones what they deserve. So, anong ibig sabihin ng BG? Big. Oo, malaki ako. Pero anong nawalang letter? Anong nawalang letter? It is I. Because in this organization, there is no I. Ubuntu. Remember the story? Should I explain to you Ubuntu? Lahat ba tayo? Ay, Ubuntu. Sino makaka-explain? Ganito yung bro. Explain ko sa'yo. Nga pala nakalimutan. Recruiting natin to para malaman niyo yung ibig sabihin ng Ubuntu. Memorize ko naman to. There was a scientist, okay, who went to Africa and who studied their culture. Okay. Tapos, sabi nung scientist na ito, may nakita kasi mga bata na naglalaro. Bata-bata, laro tayo. Ang gagawin natin, maglalagay ako ng prutas under the tree. At ang gagawin natin, magkukontes tayo. Yung makakatakbo, makakapunta dun sa puno, kukunin niya yung prutas, kakainin niya sa kanya. So, ginawa niya, okay, linya kayo, ready, get, set, go! Ayan. So, nagtaka siya kasi ginawa ng mga bata, naghawak-hawak kamay sila. Diba? Pumunta under the tree, umupo, pinagpasa-pasaan ng prutas, kinain nila na sabay-sabay. Tapos nagtaka itong anthropology. Sabi niya, bakit yung ginawa yun? Kasi pwede namang si Jonas ang mauna, di ba? Kasi malalaki ang kanyang hakbang. Papunta doon sa puno. At sa kanya, ang kanyang prutas. Bakit mo ginawa yun? Sabi niya sa bata. Tapos sabi ng bata, English kasi to, didn't you know? Sabi niya sa Africa. Di mo ba alam? Ubuntu. How can one of us be happy if all the others are sad? Ang ibig sabihin nito, I am because we are. I am because we are. Our ASG team is because of us. BG is because of our ASG team. And that's why in our agency, we never say, ay, magagaling sila. Kasi ganito, ganyan. No. Kapag may mas magaling sa atin, what do? We applaud them. We congratulate them. We applaud them. We say, congratulations. And then what do? We are inspired by them. We learn from them. We are motivated by them. Okay? So, naiintindihan nyo na ibig sabihin ng BG? Yes. Alright. So, I will do again. So, anong pronunciation ng Excelsior? Excelsior. Para naman social. Okay? Excelsior. So, can we do this together with our toast? Okay? I think the wine has been distributed already. Nasaan ang aking? Oh, nawala.
It's actually yours.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So, may I ask everyone to please stand? Stand! Together with your toast. In loving memory. Okay, everybody has a toast? Okay. So we will say together 3 statements. The first one is, congratulations. The second one is, thank you. And the third one is, God bless us. Can we do that? Okay. First statement. Ready? Ready na kayo? Nakalimutan nyo? Ano yung una? Ano yung una? Congratulations. Thank you. God bless us. Okay? Tapos dun sa God bless us, and then we drink. Okay? Ready? First statement. Second and third. Ready? Go. Congratulations. Thank you. God bless us. Excelsior! PG! Iinumin pala. Ay, sabay! Take two. Ay, ubos na. Sorry. Hindi ka nanalo eh. Sorry. Okay pala. Oh, ganun pala. Sorry, wala akong practice. Okay, 3 statement. Ready? Go. Congratulations. Thank you. God bless us. Cheers!
Everybody drink up? All right. How about a big hand? One more time.
Congratulations.
A big hand one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. And before we proceed to the after party, of course, we'd like to congratulate, of course, BG Financial Advisors. And of course, that is